Hello everyone, Ron Opera at Tech Home Inspections, and in this video I'm going to show you how to modify your category and features. We'll start by opening up the report we were working on last time and go into grounds. And for example, say you didn't like the name of sidewalks and you wanted to change it to walkways. You could click on Setup, Category, and Feature Maintenance, and simply come down here and change sidewalks to walkways. Click Add Feature, and then simply remove the sidewalks feature. Now we were able to rename it that way by landing on by starting out with the one you wanted to rename. It kept all the description items and location items and comment items. So now when we exit, we come back out. It's now called walkways. Suppose you enter data in walkways and you then later decide, after you've saved it, and you later say, hey, you know what, I'd rather it be called sidewalks. This is just a hypothetical example, although it could be a real example too, it depends. Or you've pulled in a report that already had walkways on it and you wanted it to be called sidewalks. You would go to Category and Maintenance, Category and Feature Maintenance, and you could simply just rename it back. In the same fashion you did before. And then you want to remove the walkways so that any future reports that you pull in won't show walkways, they show sidewalks. Okay, so what that will do is bring it back to sidewalks. But what it did was, since you already saved data to walkways, is it kept that as well. So if you were to preview this, you'd see walkways in there instead of sidewalks. Something to keep in mind if you're in the middle of changing feature names or categories while you're doing your report. So, that's an issue. You want to, if you don't want it to be called walkways, you then have to delete it from the report. And like I said, any future reports won't have walkways, but you can click this X here to remove that unit. It won't go away until you switch categories or come back in after you close the report. So that's gone. And notice how I put it at the end. I put it at the end because it wasn't in your list of setup, but it found it as an additional item that was saved to the report, so it ended up putting it to the end. It's a good thing if you have old reports that have different feature names that you may have modified some going forward. It will keep the data that you saved to that report. It won't change the feature name. And if you want to add, for example, text to the top of a category, I'm just going to cut this out of here for now and say you would end up adding that to the category. Update category. And then when we preview this, you won't see anything at the top of the page of grounds. But if you want to say, I have a disclaimer, or I have a restriction or something that I want to put in here, or a recommendation that you typically say at the beginning of every category, or not every category, of a specific category, you can put that at the beginning of each category. So if I go to my next grounds, there's nothing there. Go from grounds to structure. Structure doesn't have anything. But you may have statements that you want to put at the top of each one of those categories when they show up in a report. So when we preview now, you'll see this disclaimer at the top. And you can change the color to blue, black, or red in the setup. Let's say we change it to blue, then click Update Category. So, and then it's blue. Okay, so if you want to add a new category to your list of categories, or you want to rename a category, you do that by changing this box here. Or if you, let's say we want to add a new category or delete one. Say, for example, you didn't want master bedroom. Now, you may not have master bedroom in your list. And I can walk you through how you could add it. So let's for example, let's delete master bedroom here. Okay. Okay, so what that did was it took master bedroom from the category list. So when I come back out, now it still shows it. It still shows it here, which it won't have anything in it, but it will, if you would come out of the report and come back in, it won't be there. So you just have to, if you add a category or delete a category, you have to come back out. But did you notice when I was on it, there was nothing that I could pick from anyways. So say we wanted to add master bedroom. The advice is to pick a category that has the description, location, and comment items that you already have, that you want to carry forward to that category. So we would simply type in master bedroom here in this box and click Add Category. And here it asks you if you want to copy the current items. In this case we do. If you want to start with a clean slate, you would say cancel. Then you'd have to manually add in your features. So say we wanted to, okay, so what we have here now is master bedroom is 21. Okay, we want to make this 22. Date. Okay, so now everything's in order. And you can change the order of where you want these to occur by changing the display sequence. That display sequence is what shows up on the as you're entering the data, and the report sequence is how it shows up on the report when you preview it. Most of the time you're going to keep those the same, but it gives you the option there if you want. So if we now come out of here, notice it doesn't display it, so we have to come back out of the report again and come back in, and then master bedroom will show up, and it has all the features that were carried forward from bedroom. So you wanted to add a feature to bedroom, and we'll call it closets, for example. And we wanted that display sequence to be 4. And we're going to keep everything the same here. And if you needed to add something, you could simply add a comment by entering it here. Something along that lines, and go ahead and click Add Feature. So now when you come out, you'll have this additional feature added to your category. For this video, I think I covered the topic I wanted to in category and feature maintenance. I'll come back and talk more about some of the other setup items in the next video. Okay, thank you very much and have a great day.